So we got a 2018 GMC Sierra 4x4. So we're gonna do the fuel pump, but we're gonna do it through the top by removing the bed. So underneath, running from the back, like from the bed to the frame, you got two 18mm bolts right there. And then you got one more towards this area. From the bed to the frame, it's an 18mm as well. And then on the exact opposite end, you have the same 3 bolts. So you got 6 bolts in total holding the bed on. I like to remove the tailgate just to give my engine hoist clearance to go through here. Right up under the rear driver's side area where your trailer lights run to, you're gonna see a little junction where your tail lights meet and the reverse camera off the tailgate meet. You're gonna wanna disconnect all that. And then you're gonna wanna just remove the T25 screws that are holding your filler neck to the cab. I'm not sorry, to the cab, to the bed. Remove that, get that loose. I use straps, 4 corners. I'm gonna slide the engine hoist here, dead center, lift up, and the fuel pump is this area right here. I'll show it to you once we lift it up. All right, so we got our motor hoist in. We got our straps, 4 corners. We got the bed lifted. As you can see, once you lift the bed, you got access right here to your fuel pump. So let's get it off. Old fuel pump is out. There's a new fuel pump here. As you can see, that's where it was at. Kind of ugly. We got a fuel pump lock ring removal tool that made this job fairly easy. Yeah. Now we're gonna go back on with the new one. All right, fuel pump is changed out. Once you change out the fuel pump, then lower down your bed and reattach your filler neck to its designated position. That way it's not just dangling in there. However y'all want to do it, however y'all comfortable with, but how I was comfortable with was doing this first and then lowering the bed and then adjusting it where the bolt holes line up with the threads, and then run your 18mm through them, bolt it back down. This is not even supporting nothing no more. It's pretty loose. It's lowered down. Once we get the bolts back up in there, then we'll go ahead and run our tailgate back up, run our camera plug through the hole. Only reason that I removed the tailgate was because I wasn't sure if it was gonna have clearance or not. So I didn't want to damage the client's tailgate or nothing like that. So we just went ahead and removed it beforehand. So yeah, that's it. 2018 GMC Sierra 4x4 5.3. Remove the bed, change your fuel pump. Or if you want to go underneath and drop the tank, it's up to you. But I found it a little bit easier doing it this way.